Namaste Cubers, and this video will be featuring how to make the second layer of the cube, which is the third step for the beginners method. So let us start. In our previous video we made our cube like this. If you have not checked the video out, you can find the link in the description. So we made the cube like this. Now we come to the second layer. For that we need to have a keen eye on the lower layer and on the non-yellow edge pieces, as yellow edge pieces could not replace this. We need to put the correct pieces in their place. So now in the second layer we only deal with the edge pieces, so you need to keep your eye on the edge pieces first. So now let us start. Firstly we need to keep an eye on the lower layer. On here we will find a non-yellow edge piece. Like this piece is non-yellow, as it is not containing any yellow in it. This one is also non-yellow, but both of these are yellow as they are containing yellow color in them. So here is a piece which is non-yellow. Firstly you need to look in the front side where the white is on the top. You can see the red color is depicted by this non-yellow piece, so we'll just match it to the red center like this. Now it's matched to the red center. Now we will look back which color is there. Like here is a blue color and the blue center is in our right side, so we will perform the algorithm d prime r prime d r, and here comes a pair. This type of piece is called a pair, where the corner piece and the edge piece, corresponding edge piece and the corresponding corner piece are attached together. Now for inserting them, note that we will not use three move insert, we will use 4 move inserts only. So we will use a 4 move insert told in the last video. You can check that out. That is D L D prime L prime. So it will get here like this. Now we are having a non-yellow edge piece again here, and if we look the front side of it, while the white is on the top, we can see the green color. Now we will match it to the green center, and at the back there is orange color. So orange is on left, orange center is in our left side. So we will perform this algorithm D L D prime L prime, which will make these two pair. Now this is a pair, we need to put it here. We will use the 4 move insert for the right side, like D prime R prime D R. So it will get insert here. Now there is a last piece over here. Firstly we will track this piece is a non-yellow piece. Now we will join its center with the front side while the white is on the top, like it's green, so I will match it with the green center, and then perform the algorithm when the red color is in our downside and the red center is on our right side. We will use L prime D R prime. Sorry, I just pronounced that wrongly. That is D prime R prime D R, and then a piece occurs here over here. Piece is adjacent corner piece and adjacent edge piece joined together, which are correctly placed. Like both of these red are matching and both of these green are matching, so it's correct. Now we will put this over here by not using a 3 move insert and by using a 4 move insert, like using an D L D prime L prime. So now our second layer is complete, but some situations can occur, like when the edge piece is in its correct place but inverted. So firstly we need to do the same method when the corner piece was inverted, but the difference is that now we'll put this edge piece over here or this edge piece over here to replace it and take it to the lower layer. So for that we will apply the algorithm for when the lower color is in our right side, we will apply d prime r prime d r and then put it here by using a 4 move insert, which is d l d prime l prime. Now we shall get the color in the lower layer, which is this. Now here is blue, so we will match it with the blue center, and then at the low at the down there is orange color. Orange is the right side. We will use the algorithm d prime r prime d r and see it's matched. Now it is matched. We need to put it over here by using the 4 move insert, which is d l d prime l prime. So now our second layer is complete. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for our latest updates.